So students, in today's class, so in previous class we have stopped at what? Large numbers for 5th standard, no? So in previous class where we have stopped this at remember, no? So we have completed this small question is given, express the number 6578032163 in Indian International System that I gave you for homework. So from today, in today's class we will discuss, there are some points given in the remember section in your page number 75. Okay, so let's discuss about them. Okay, the smallest 11 digit number in Indian place value chart is 1000 crore. This is the point, the smallest 11 digit number in Indian place value system is what he is given. Indian place value system or place value chart, both are same. Indian place value chart is 1000 crore. 1000 crore. How can you represent that one? So 1000 crore. How you will represent? 1000 is in one period. Crore, how you will represent? This is lakhs, this is thousands, this is ones. So this is the 11 digit number. 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 4, how much? 11. The smallest 11 digit number in Indian place value system is 1000 crore. This is the first point. Okay, what is the next point? The smallest 11 digit number in international place value chart. The smallest 11 digit number in international place value chart is what? Is telling 10 billion. So you have to remember this. Okay, the smallest 11 digit number, both we are talking about 11 digit number only, but the way of representation and the system is changing. 10 billion means how? 10 is in billions place, this is millions, next thousands, this is ones. Okay, 10 billion we will represent like this in international place value chart. Okay, 2 points we have completed now. The smallest 11 digit number in Indian place value system is 1000 crore. This is also 11 digit, this is also 11 digit. What is the difference? The way of putting commas. Okay, because here ones period will have 3 digits now. So after 3 we are separating, putting commas means we are separating the each period, because ones period is having 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds. So that's why after 3 places we have to put one comma. But this thousands and lakhs places, lakhs periods are having what? Only 2 digits in it. So after 2 digits we are putting one comma. But in crores period there are how many digits? 4. Here 4 are there. Okay, so like that you have to understand. But here in international place value chart we are having, each period is having 3 digits, means 3 places. Okay, so that's why it is easy for you to understand. If you put the comma, it is easy for you to understand which period is what. Okay, separating with comma means we are separating all the periods. Okay, so 2 points we have completed now. So what is the third point? Third point is the smallest 12 digit number. The smallest 12 digit number is the smallest 12 digit number in Indian place value chart. In Indian place value chart is what? 1000 crore. Is it 1000 crore? No, it is 10,000 crore. Is it 10,000? Yes, it is 10,000 crore. How will you represent? All crores here, 10,000 crore. No, this crores will be in one period, then lakhs, then thousands, then ones. Okay, so how many digits are there in crores period here? 1 2 3 4 5 means these 5 digit will be in crores period only. What is the number? 10,000 crores. Lakhs, thousands, ones. This is ones period, this is thousands period, this is lakhs period, this is crores. Okay, you may have so many number of digits in crores because 10,000, 1 lakh crores, 10 lakh crores, like that also you can have. So 10,000 crores. Okay, so we are separating each period with one comma. Clear? Next one, the smallest 12 digit number. The smallest 12 digit number in international place value chart. In international place value chart is what? Is 100 billion. 100 billion means 3 digits in billions place, 3 zeros in millions, 3 zeros in thousands place, and 3 zeros in ones period. Ones period, this is thousands period, this is millions, this is billions. Okay, billions, millions, thousands, and ones. Okay, so these are the 4 points you have to remember. How to represent these bigger numbers in international and Indian place value chart, and what is the number name. You have to remember them very carefully. Okay, so in page number, next page number, you are having an exercise. Okay, in page number 76. In page number 76, separate the periods by inserting commas according to the two systems of numeration. Okay, so separate the periods by inserting commas according to the two systems of numeration. So here he has given one has been done for you. So first one, so let us see. Number Indian systems, international. Okay, this is For the given number we have to separate the commas according to the Indian system and international system. Okay, so here A, he has already given this 108717. 108717. In Indian system, how to separate 108717? In Indian system, how to separate? So in ones period you are having 3 digits, no? So after 3 digits you have to put one comma. In thousands period you are having 2 digits, no? So after 2 digits you have to put one comma. So what is the number? 1,08,717. Okay. So you have to put comma after the period. So in ones period there are having 3 digits. So after 3 digits from right to left you have to put one comma. Start from right, then go to left. Okay. So I am starting from here. 717. After 3 digits I am putting one comma. After ones period what you will get? Thousands period, no? So 80. After these 2 digits I am putting one comma and 1. So in international system 108717. In Indian system only you have to carefully see which period is coming after which period, and in which period how many digits are there you have to check, because ones period is having 3 digits but lakhs and thousands are having 2 digits, and in thousands you may get 3, 4 according to the number you will get like that. Okay, in international system every period will have 3 digits, so after every 3 digits you can put one comma and separate all the periods. So starting from right to left, 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits I am putting one comma. So first one has been completed. Is it clear what I am saying? So in second one is 1360. So I am writing this 1360. In Indian system how to separate? So after first 3 digits from right to left you have to put one comma. Means this is ones period, this is thousands period. Okay. So here 1360. Here also after 3 digits you have to put one comma. So it will be the same 1360 only. Okay. So next one, C. 51743. 51,743 in Indian system. Okay. So 51743. What you have to do? After first 3 digits you have to put one comma, because after ones period what you will get? You have to separate ones period from thousands period, no? So you have to put one comma from right to left after 3 digits. Okay, completed. Here 51743. Same. After 3 digits you have to put one comma. Okay. D. 866715. Okay, 866715. After 3 digits you have to put one comma, because that is ones period is completed. So next 2 digits, thousands period you are having 2 digits now. So 2 digits you have to put one comma. The number is 8,66,715 in Indian system. Okay, in international system 866715. Each period is having 3 digits now. So you have to keep comma after every 3 digits. So that is the number. 866,715 is the number. Okay. So this A, B, C, D 4 are completed, no? So next one. Next one is what? E. E is how much? 2300652. 2300652. So same number 00652. 2300652. First write the number. So Indian system ones period is having 3 digits now. So after 3 digits I am putting one comma from right to left. In thousands period how many digits are there? 2. In Indian system 2 digits are there. So after 2 digits I put one comma. So what is the number? 23,652. In international system after first 3 digits put one comma. After next 3 digits you have to put one comma. So 2,300,652 is the number. F. After E, F. 658 21 689. Okay. So that is the number. 658 21 689. So 658 21 689. 65821 clear. So what you have to do, after 3 digits you have to put one comma, because ones period is having 3 digits. In thousands period, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So after 2 digits you have to put one comma. Once thousands, after thousands what you will get? Lakhs. So in lakhs period in Indian system, how many digits will be there? 2 digits. So after these 2 digits you have to put one comma. 6 crore 58 lakh 21,689 is the number in Indian system. That same number in international system, after 3 digits right to left you have to put one comma, after next 3 digits you have to put one comma. So the number is 65,821,689. okay. Next, G. What is G? So it is a 8 digit number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. okay. It is a 8 digit number. The same number we will represent in Indian and international system. okay. 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Next here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. okay. So this is the number. This number in Indian system, after 3 digits put one comma. Once period is completed. Next, separate thousands period. In thousands period we are having 2 digits now, again comma. In lakhs period in Indian system we are having 2 digits, again comma. This is 1 crore. This is ones period, thousands, lakhs, crores. This is 1 crore. In international system, after 3 digits comma, and again after next 3 digits you have to put one comma. So this will become 10 million. 10. This is thousands period, this is ones period. 10 million is the answer. Next, H. What is the H? 35632 35632 4219. okay. So 35632 4219. 35632 4219 is a given number, no? So write the number and again separate. In Indian system, ones period is having 3 digits, no? So put comma after 3 digits from right to left. In thousands period you are having only 2 digits, no? So after 2 digits put one comma. In lakhs period you are having 2 digits, no? After 2 digits you have to put one comma. So the number is 35 crore 63 lakh 24,219 in Indian system. In international system, after every 3 digits you have to put one comma. After 912 I am putting one comma. Next 3. So the number will be 356,324,219. okay. So that is a number representation in international system. okay. So students, we have completed up to H now. So next we will complete after 3, this bit will be completed. I, J, K. okay. After I, J, K, this bit will be completed. So more 3 to complete this bit. okay. So I, what is the number? I 74388 74388 92105. Next, in Indian system, how to represent, and international system, how to represent. So what is the I, J? What is the J question? 10101 01010. okay. And K 89365 10741 471 or 741. So these 3 numbers we have to represent in Indian and international systems. So this number 74388922105. This number in Indian system, what I said, ones period 3 digits are there. So after 3 digits I am putting one comma from right to left. In thousands we are having only 2 digits. So after 2 digits I am putting one comma. okay. So in lakhs also there is 2 digits only. So after 2 digits I am putting one comma here. First 3 digits I am putting one comma here. After next 2 digits this comma. and after next two digits this common. So what is the number? 743 crore 88 lakh 92,105. Okay, so the same number 7438892,105 in international system. After 3 digits 1 comma, after 3 digits 1 comma, after 3 digits 1 comma. So what is the number? 7,438,892,105. Okay, so this number 10101,01010. Okay, after 3 digits 1 comma. In thousands period there are 2 digits. No, I am putting comma after 2 digits. In lakhs also we are having 2 digits. So this one 101 crore 1 lakh 1010 is the number, this number. Okay, so if you want to represent this same number, in international system, how you will represent? 10101 01010. Okay, so after 3 digits put 1 comma, next to 3 digits, next to 3 digits. So the answer is 1 billion 10 million 101,010. This is the international system representation. Next number 893,651,0741. This is the number we have to represent in Indian system. After 3 digits comma, after 2 digits 1 comma, after 2 digits 1 comma. So this number is 893 crore 65 lakh 10,741. So the same number I will represent in international system. Okay, so after 3 digits 1 comma, after 3 digits 1 comma, after 3 digits 1 comma. 8,936,510,741 is the number. So we have completed this first bit, the representation of the given numbers in Indian and international system. Okay, so what is the next bit? Second bit. Fill in the blanks is there. Okay, fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. First one he has done for you. Okay, so what is the question? Dash 5 digit number plus 1. Dash 5 digit number plus 1 equal to smallest 6 digit number. Smallest 6 digit number. So after which 5 digit number, and if you add 1 to that number, smallest 6 digit number you will get. So greatest is the answer. After greatest 5 digit number only, after means I said add 1. After greatest 5 digit number you will get the smallest 6 digit number. So greatest 5 digit number after means with what? Plus 1. No, so plus 1 is equal to smallest 6 digit number. So next one is B. Dash 6 digit number plus 1 equal to what? Smallest 7 digit number. Okay, so after greatest 6 digit number, after means plus 1, after greatest 6 digit number only you are going to get smallest 7 digit number. No, so greatest 6 digit number plus 1 equal to smallest 7 digit number. Next one, greatest 8 digit number plus 1 is equal to dash 9 digit number. So after greatest 8 digit number you are going to get what? Smallest 9-digit number. So 3 fill in the blanks we have completed. Okay, so next one let us see. So what is the next one? D. Greatest dash digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest 10 digit number. After 9 digit numbers only you will get 10 digit numbers, no? So after greatest 9 digit number only you will get smallest 10 digit number, no? After means here plus 1, it is indicated by plus 1. So greatest 9 digit number plus 1 means 9 plus 1 equal to 10, no? So after greatest 9 digit number you are going to get smallest 10 digit number. Okay, next one, E. Smallest 8 digit number minus 1. Smallest 8 digit number minus 1 equal to dash digit number. Smallest 8 digit number minus 1. 8 minus 1. What? 7. Which? Greatest. Greatest 7 digit number. Here is telling 8 digit number minus 1. 8 minus 1 how much? 7. So if you are getting confused you have to see like this. Smallest 8 digit number, no? Before, so 8 digit numbers are starting. Minus 1 means before 8 digit numbers what you will get? Greatest 7 digit number, no? Like that you have to understand. Okay, so with this we have completed our fill in the blanks here. So fill in the blanks is completed with this. So in next class, so we will continue from the third bit. Okay, so once again you have to revise this. Once again you have to revise this first bit and second bit in your exercise 1.1. And today's class, if you don't understand, you have to see once again and make it clear. Okay, thank you.